simplify this rational expression, where the numerator is x to the fourth minus y to the fourth over x squared plus y squared. Now, this numerator looks pretty intimidating, but there's a simple substitution we can use to make it a little bit more manageable. So let's work on this numerator on the side. So you can think of x to the fourth minus y to the fourth as x squared squared, right? Because then you just multiply, you can just multiply the exponents back together to get x to the fourth, minus y squared squared. And now this is looking a little bit like the difference of squares formula, where you have a squared minus b squared, which is equal to what? A plus b times a minus b. So in this case, a is equal to x squared, and b is equal to y squared. So using this formula, we can just plug it in. We can just plug it into the difference of squares. So x squared squared minus y squared squared is going to become a plus b, so x squared plus y squared, times a minus b, which is x squared minus y squared. Now, x squared plus y squared we can't do anything with because there's no way to factor that. But x squared minus y squared is another difference of squares formula, right? So a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we can use this formula again. So this simplifies to, well, x squared plus y squared stays the same. And then here, this becomes a plus b. So in this case, let's make a note of that. In this case, a is equal to x and b is equal to y, right? As for before it was x squared and y squared, now it's just x and y. So a plus b, x plus y, times a minus b. So x minus y. So this is our formula, our factored out formula for x to the fourth minus y to the fourth. So let's plug it back in to the beginning. So the numerator is going to become x squared plus y squared. Let's move up a little bit. Times x plus y times x minus y. And then the denominator is just going to stay x squared plus y squared. Because remember, there's no formula for the sum of squares, only the difference of squares. But notice that there's an x squared plus y squared in the top and in the bottom related by product. So since these two cancel out, they just give us a 1. So we're left with x plus y times x minus y. And since there's nothing else we can do, then we can just leave our answer like that, and that is the simplified form.